Hello, my name's Nathan Efron and I'm the editor of Clinical and Experimental Optometry. This month of March 2019 is very special for the journal because it's actually our 100th anniversary. So 100 years ago today, the association at the time started a journal. It's called the Commonwealth Optometrist, to try and bring information to optometrists at the time, because there was a thirst for education and a thirst for knowledge at that time. And our forefathers thought, well, it'd be a great idea to have a journal to bring that information forward. So here we are 100 years later, and we might actually ask the question, do we still need a journal today? After all, there are about 50 ophthalmic journals around the world. We can gain information from the internet and from all sorts of other sources. Do we really need to have a journal that costs us an awful lot of money? And we need to be asking the question, is that a good investment? Well, I believe it is for a number of reasons. And the way I like thinking about the journal today is to contemplate what it would be like if we didn't have a journal. What role does a journal play today? Well, the way I start thinking about this question, the way I like to answer it, is to go to the definition of a profession. If you go to the internet and look up what is the definition of a profession, you'll find that a profession is defined as a group of like individuals who are prepared to research the fundamentals of the activities that they undertake. And because we have a journal, that is the demonstration that we as a profession are researching the very fundamentals of what it is we do. And that kind of sets us aside. Now, there are many other important reasons for having an Australian journal in particular. For example, there are many issues that come up from time to time, such as analyses of manpower requirements for the profession, analysis of publications of the profession, contact lens prescribing trends, issues that really could not be published in any other international journal. We need a peculiarly Australian journal to be able to publish these sorts of issues. Having an Australian journal, our own Australian journal, also gives us legitimacy. You know, when we were accepted into Medicare some 40 years ago, when the government ministers were looking at optometry and thinking, well, what is this group of eye care practitioners? Are they a genuine profession? Well, they would have quickly found out that we had our own journal, and that would have indicated to them that we were a legitimate profession. And I think that probably played a role in us getting entrenched into the Medicare system. And also when you look at therapeutics legislation and all other areas in which we want to be involved and we've needed to influence, we've had the profession that underpinned us, has given us legitimacy for that particular endeavour. And it also gives us a fantastic source of information about what's happening in terms of the latest instrumentation, trends in therapeutics, contact lens prescribing, the myopia debates that are happening at the moment. There are so many areas that we can be properly informed by dipping into our own peer-reviewed journal and get an authoritative view on what is happening in those particular areas.